I find that packaging is super important when it comes to treats, so I'm going to show you how to make these adorable ribbons. For that nice large ribbon, I like to use the 1.5-inch wide double-sided silk ribbon, and I'm cutting 17-inch long. You're going to place a ribbon just like this, and you're going to go around your 2 fingers twice. So once, and then 2 times. Then you're going to take this end of the ribbon and you're going to place it in that little hole, and you're going to go through until the other side, just like that, and you're going to pull. Then you'll see there's a little loop at the front. So what you want to do is you're going to place a ribbon at the bottom of that loop, and you're going to pull through from the bottom all the way to the top, just like this. But before you pull all the way, you're going to take a twist tie and you're going to place it right in the middle of that little knot that you created right there. So it's going to go all the way to one end to the other. Then you'll be able to pull this part just like that, and it's going to make your bow secure in the middle. Once the knot is tied, you're simply going to remove the ribbon, slide it off your fingers. Then you'll end up with 2 little pieces hanging. If you want the bow with the bottom part of the ribbon, you can just cut it to size, and then you can even cut it like as an angle, but I like to have the bow only. So what I do is I simply cut one side and then insert it inside the bow. And on the other side, I'm just going to cut as short as possible. And then in order to make it like a large bow, I'm just going to pull the sides just like that, and it's going to give like a double look to it. And there you go. Now you are ready to simply attach it to any treat that you're going to do. How adorable this is. How cute is this? So I'm going to give you an example on how cute this is on a treat. So I did some chocolate covered Rice Krispies, and then I'm going to take that bow tie that we made and then just twist it around a popsicle stick. By the way, if you're doing with a clear wrap, you can actually put that bow on the outside, so basically it would be covered by the plastic wrap. And just look how cute and elegant this is. Super adorable. It just gives a really nice finished look.